So what's up? Welcome to Tobes Trades. It is 1/12/2021 Tuesday at 9:40 a.m. Guess what? We're up already 2K on the day. If you remember from the video yesterday, we were in Crowd and Snapchat at market close last night. Yesterday, as a good snap. We sold earlier because on this candle, because after it tried to go up, it got sold into, and then tried to go up again, and it got sold into again. Wow, Etsy just exploding. And of course, now we're in Etsy. We entered around here. We couldn't catch the initial gap up, but after selling Snap, as well as Crowd, we entered back into Etsy, and Etsy's looking really good right now. We're gonna take some profits once we first see some weakness on the 1 minute, but the 1 minute just looks good. Remember to take profits, but if it's just green candle, you know, just keep holding it. And sell at the first 1 minute red candle. You don't want to wait to sell at the first red 5 minute candle because you're gonna lose too much profit already. But, so that's what we have right now. Also, if you remember, Etsy was on our watch list yesterday. Etsy looking really good actually. Remember, if you want to see a bounce, you want to see high volume and a piercing bullish engulfing candle, which pierced the previous flush candle, which looks very good, and it stopped and parked right at the previous resistance. If the market conditions do look tomorrow, expect Etsy to go up again. Look at this beautiful breakout. It's just I don't know. I want to marry it. It's just so beautiful, very sexy. Fubo, remember? Oh, we might enter a position here. Actually, looking pretty good. Remember this red line, 31.5, also 32.5. Watch these levels. Watch these levels. We're gonna enter a position into Fubo real quick. How many shirts do we want to buy? Let's buy 400. Let's buy 200. Actually, okay, we're waiting for it to break the pre-market highs. So we don't want to bite now yet, but it is on the way up. So we want to watch this. But when it does, we're going to buy around 200 or 300 shares. But usually, our market open, you don't want to make too many trades because it's very volatile. However, direction is usually determined by 10 o'clock. So just pay attention to 10 o'clock, especially the 5 minute chart, because that tells the direction. So right now, it looks pretty good actually. It tried to retest the red crucial level, and it did, and it's bouncing up. It looks good on the 5 minute. So we're gonna add a starter position here. We're gonna add about 100 shares. All right, we have 100 shares. Let's see if it breaks this level and it keeps going up. If it doesn't, we're only in for 3K. It's not a big loss. Etsy though just keeps going up. Remember, monitor the 1 minute candle. Also, we're reaching a key level here. We might want to exit some positions. Remember, let's be conservative. So we are already nearing this level. So the 197.45. We're gonna sell around a little bit per position if it does crash down, because this is very crucial. Let's make it red. This was the previous all-time highs, right? 198.5. So like here, yeah. So like somewhere in this region, we're gonna take some profits. If we see momentum dying down, that is volume and speed of going up, we're gonna take some exits. So we're gonna take some exits now. Actually, we're gonna take about 150 off the table. Take half. Oops. All right, we still have. If it breaks this level, we're gonna buy back again. But just right now, we're gonna take some profits. Yeah, as expected. The bounce is not too strong. You don't want to going for a bounce play usually until 10 a.m. But I went for a small position there because I don't want to miss out. And this is how I deal with FOMO. Like if I have FOMO, I just enter like a small position, like 3K, 5K. So I let that feeling play out because I still own that stock, you know. But even if I lose, I'm not losing that much. It just satisfies my own FOMO. Everything else is looking good. The market overall is looking good, actually. The only thing down is Dow, and no one fucking cares about the Dow no more. Nasdaq's up 0.3, pretty good. Tesla bounced actually from last night. Remember Tesla? We were talking about how Tesla is like the 6th largest by market cap in the S&P, and it has lots of effect on S&Ps. And it crashed yesterday, leading to an overall down market because, oh my god, okay. Maybe we shouldn't have bought this as exit. We went down 100, but this is a pretty good dip to buy at, honestly. Usually I buy a small position to satisfy my own FOMO, but unfortunately this bounce was very weak. Right. So do you want to buy a dip here? I'm not too sure because Fubo has a history, has a long history of just fading. Look, gap up, fade. Let's go back. Fade. Like so we're gonna be a little bit weary of Fubo now. Let's wait for a break of the 32.25 where the market opened. Oh, we're gonna add something Etsy here. It looks like it's trying to break the 1 minute. 1 minute is trying to break the high level. Exactly. You see it parking here, right? We're gonna add 50. Let's add 50 at a time. Well, let's add 100 at a time. If it does break this level, we expect a gap up. However, we see a well, actually, we don't see a big sell order in the level 2, so it looks pretty strong. I'm gonna enter a position here, going for the break of 197.5. Remember, we're gonna exit if it crashes anywhere below this level because that could be seen as a correction. Everyone's gonna sell off until a retest, probably around this level. So we're just going for the break. We're gonna catch the break. If it does break, if it doesn't, we're gonna exit. Let's get ready to exit. It's actually half of the time. But we're still in this for 50K. I'm just worried about a big flush red candle. However, the current red candles are actually pretty small. They're like, what, 0.3%? So not bad. Let's look at what else is up right now. Yeah, Fubo is fading. Fiverr is up a lot. I wanted to buy Fiverr. But the volume, look at the spread, man. The spread, fucking $3 spread. Like, who the fuck wants to buy this shit, man? The spread is $3. Like, if you enter a trade, you fucking lose like a lot of money already. So I didn't want to enter Fiverr, but Fiverr just keeps going up. I don't know. It's low volume. These low volume growth stocks are just amazing. Tilray, ooh, out of the channel again. If it breaks the previous market open, I'm gonna enter for sure. It's just going down a little bit. I'm gonna sell half. It's taking a while to break, so we're gonna exit half position because after usually if it takes too long to break, it just breaks down. Especially when it's bullish, right? So we're still up 300 right now. We're gonna wait for Etsy over here. We're waiting for the break. I'm gonna set an alert actually, if it, so I don't have to keep monitoring this. I want to look at what else. Fiverr's going down a little bit. The market is going down a little bit, by the way. So you always want to monitor the market because the market is made up of these funds, you know, so that they invest into all different stocks. So if the market is down, they're going to rebalance their portfolios, right? They're going to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. So when the market is down, your stock could go down too. Like a plug. I wanted to buy it at 22, right? Somewhere here. 22. Yeah, 22. But bam, I couldn't. And then now it's up 64. I hit myself. Like, what the fuck is this, man? Like, you can't expect this shit. Like, this is ugly as fuck. But at the same time, it's pretty, you know? It's like me. Sometimes I'm ugly, sometimes I'm pretty as fuck. But, Fubo, yeah, don't buy this shit until it actually bounces. Because Fubo just posts this shit, gaps up in the morning, and then starts fades all the way down. Because there's still no strength right now. Etsy's looking for the break still. It's taking forever. What else is up right now? Let's try to catch what else is up. Let's look at Twitter. Where's Twitter? Let's go to key. What was here yesterday? Oh, Twitter is actually flat. And semis are down actually. And Lulu, you remember we said Lulu don't buy yesterday? Guess what? Don't buy. Now we want to buy actually. We're going to enter a few positions because it is exactly at our trend line right now. We're going to go for the bounce play. All right, let me, how many shares do I want to buy? Let's buy around 150 shares. Let's buy 75 shares. Because we're not seeing a bounce yet. Oh, we're gonna sell. Do we need to sell? Let's look. Yeah, we're gonna sell here. We're gonna exit the rest because the MACD is going negative, and let's draw a support line. If it does bounce, we can always re-enter. You know, that's the beauty about trading. Just kind of worried here for a flash, and also the MACD is going negative. Market is going down. This S&P's Nasdaq is going down all the way down here, right? Just made a round trip, going up, going down in like what? 20 minutes since market open. Fubo is trying to bounce, as we see. But I'm not buying this shit, man. We're waiting for the break of Etsy still. Oh, we're gonna buy Lulu. I forgot. Lulu, we're waiting for... Okay, the thing is, we want to buy it now. But the thing is, it can always go lower. So we're not sure if we want to buy exactly yet. Oh, it looks like it's gonna go up. Let's get ready. Let's get our orders ready. Let's get about 500 shares. All right. Perfect. All right. We missed. Unfortunately, we missed the. Where's my buy order not going through? All right. So we missed this break actually. Fuck. It was 0.7%. Damn. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. But once it breaks, it's gonna keep going up. This is now our stop loss. All right. 197.5. We went here a bit above our stop loss, which means if it does go down, we're gonna take a small loss here. But MACD actually didn't go. This shows strength actually. If MACD is supposed to go negative and it actually breaks up, it shows strength, a lot of strength. It's not breaking down already though, so let's be careful. We want to exit if it crosses this red line. But it's a 1 minute candle. It's like, usually it's fine. Oh, it's down a little bit. Down a little bit. Let's just wait. What else is good? Lulu, do you want to buy the dip now? Not too sure yet. We might have entered a little bit too much on Etsy. I did not mean to buy 500 shares. I think I was looking at Lulu. Nope. What was I looking? I was looking at. I don't remember why I bought 500 shares. But it's a false breakout. We're gonna exit half actually. If it does break down. But it looks pretty good. MACD's going negative. It went for a false break, but unfortunately couldn't hold. MACD's going negative, so it's kind of scary. But stocks can always go up when MACD's negative, so just wait. Be patient. Sometimes don't get tricked by the one red candle, you know? Like just exit a whole position and then you miss the gap up. So you miss the right up, so just don't get tricked by that. So if as you saw earlier, there was like a negative 500 loss, unrealized loss, but I mean that's okay. It's on the 1 minute chart, it's fine. It's only when it's for a long time it doesn't bounce. That's when you exit. Lulu just keeps going down. Actually, it broke the support level, so I'm not too sure what to do right now. If there's signs of a bounce, I am gonna go for it. We're gonna exit half of the Etsy actually. It's too big of a position. It doesn't align with my risk management portfolio. Take half, even though it's gonna go up. I don't want to take too much risk. Remember, always balance your risk. All right. In this account, I have about 100K. I trade in multiple accounts. This is my day trading account. I have a few swing accounts. I have a few in crypto. But right now it looks pretty good. We're gonna continue to go for the break, but we're exit half position because it's. Remember, don't overshare profits by using leverage, right? So we could enter with 100K and make what, $300, $400 just now. But if they went down, that's too much risk for me to handle. And then when there's too much risk, you start making bad decisions. So we're up even more on Etsy right now. We're up 300 again. Okay. Once it broke, okay, what was this level? 198.6. So this level exactly. Let me try it here. 98.6. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, even more money. We're up 420. Yeah. 400. All right, not bad. So if it breaks this level, we're gonna stop loss, cut it off. But it looks like it's gonna keep going. Remember, we were saying the setup yesterday looks really good. It parked right at previous resistance. Today pre-market gapped up above that, and then it's gonna keep going. See, once it breaks the previous resistance, it's gonna keep going. We're gonna keep riding up. We're up 600, 700. If we didn't sell half, we would have been up 1.4K, but that's okay because we didn't know this was gonna happen, right? This shit can always happen. It could be up 2K right now, but that's okay. We're gonna exit a little bit, but it looks like the 1 minute just keeps going up. If it keeps going up, it keeps going up. The issue is it's up 10% today. Actually, it rarely had 10% days. It has some, but this is pretty unprecedented, honestly. If you look at the past, there's not really this large of a green candle. Maybe here it was up 10%, but we just don't want it to fade. We're up 1,200, 1,300. Let's go, let's go. This is a short squeeze. Once it broke, every short out of color. And people keep buying. People keep buying. We're up around 4K today on Etsy alone. So that looks really good. That looks really, really good. Let's see where. There's no. Okay, you also want to monitor level 2 constantly. You want to see if there's huge sell orders because that could limit. That could mean like a temporary at least. Let's get ready to sell some. 125. I like selling half of the time because, well, do 50 at a time actually. This is the 1 minute, so it could come crashing down in 5 minutes. But what time is it? 9:55. Oh, the 5 minute candle closed. Exactly. Look at this beautiful 5 minute candle. So the timing of candles closing also matters. Also look at the volume on the 5 minute candle. It's huge on the breakout. Huge. So it's probably going to continue. It's possible that briefly it has like a doji here, but as long as it doesn't pierce around 30% of the previous bullish engulfing candle, we should be fine. We're going to keep monitoring this. You want to take some profits now, but I don't see a reason to. This was kind of worrying because it could signal the top, but its tail was not long enough. And also the 5 minute just closed positive, very bullish. So I don't think this will go down just because of this candle. However, this candle, we're just consolidating. We're just, sometimes shit doesn't move. Lulu though, is it going for a bounce now? It could, but it's being sold into again. Is there some bad news? I'm not too sure. Let's look at the news. Lulu sees four quarter sales. Profit high guidance. I don't know why it's going down. Why the bounce is being sold into. Fubo though is bouncing, but it's bouncing enough. Mackey's going green, but don't get tricked by this. Look at this tunnel. Bam. All right. Be careful with this tunnel. It could bounce. If it breaks though, we want to enter a free position here, but we want to monitor Etsy and take profits. We're up 1.6K again. We were up around like 2K, 1.4K this morning. And then we're also up at 1K on Tilray. Oh, Tilray, look at Tilray. Look at Tilray. Oh, Tilray's looking good. I want to enter into Tilray, but I want to monitor Etsy right now because Etsy is the big winner. But Tilray, if you guys are on Tilray right now, just keep going, guys. Etsy, we could have made 4K today. Well, even more because we exited half position. It made sense. This shit always happens, but you just gotta accept it because what if it went down, You never know. But if I have 500 shares, I will be up 4K just on that breakout alone. So this is how you trade breakouts, guys. Look at this daily. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I want to marry it. Just beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Look at this breakout. Oof. Oh, so good. Feels so good. All right. Lulu, no bounce. Fubo, gonna break out funnel. Nope. Look at this. Bounce down exactly. But it could still go for a break. But 32.5. Remember, as our key level, let's draw it here. 13.5. This level. Etsy, let's go keep watching it. Keep watching us make money. It's always good feeling. But, so Etsy might go for a continuation move tomorrow if it does not fade. But if you look at the NASDAQ came crashing down. But Etsy just kept going up. This shows strength. It's very, very strong. Let's see what else. Etsy, oof. Big winner, big winner. When I look at my level 1 watch list, I always love seeing owning a stock in the top 5. I entered into Fiverr. I wanted to enter into Fiverr this morning, but the spread was way too big. The spread right now is like 150. When I entered, it was $3 spread. Oh, it's coming down a little bit. It's like half. Well, if it doesn't pierce this level, we should be fine, honestly. Let's just make this temporary. It looks good. Let's make it red. Red always makes me alert. Right now it's 58. 5 minute didn't close yet, but 5 minute looks good, honestly. Can I keep breaking? Let's see. Alright, Tilray's looking good. I want to enter Tilray. I'm going to enter. FOMO right now. I'm going to enter around 100 shares. Just, well, yeah, for my own sake. My own mental sake. Because Tilray looks really good. Look at this break. And then if it goes for the break of this level, should be even better. Yes. Alright. We're only aiming for 1K. But, I mean, I have FOMO, man. This is my way of dealing FOMO. Oh, look at this. Beauty. We have another winner on Tilray. Another winner. We're only up $10, but that's fine. We only entered for $1,000. But I'm just telling you, like, Tilray is looking so good right now. But we have to monitor Etsy, unfortunately. It looks like there's a minor consolidation period right now. If it does flush below this level, we're going to exit and then go into other stocks. Because other stocks look really good right now. Look at Tilray. Look at this breakout above the tunnel. And now look at fucking Fubo, man. Bouncing below the tunnel. Like, ugly as fuck. Fucking Fubo. But whatever. Tilray's looking good. Oh, I'm missing out on Fubo. On Tilray, whatever. Fuck this shit. So, this is FOMO, guys. I'm dealing with FOMO in real time. But now I feel at least better because I'm in a position, even though I'm up $15, that's what McDonald's for me for lunch. I'm kidding. But, I mean, that's still free money, I'm trying to comfort myself here, if you see what I'm doing. I'm trying to comfort myself from not entering into Tilray, but, I mean... Oh, Dick's breaking out. Actually, I mean, it looks pretty good. Oh, remember we also traded the breakout of Dix. You know, we love Dix. When it broke out the daily, we made so much money trading it all the way up. I forgot to make a video for the past 2 days, for the past 3 days. Well, this weekend. But I meant to mention Dix. Dix is really good. Chewy looking good right now. Actually, well, Chewy. This is the difference between Chewy and Etsy. Etsy looks good. Chewy does it. Chewy is like the beta male in your class. You know. Taylor is coming crashing down. It's okay. It's a 1 minute candle. It's fine. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute is what 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock determines direction, guys. Wow, look at this. That's direction for you. Tilray 5 minute looks really good. I'm in a position. I'm in 1K. I'm just in there to prevent FOMO. Even though I'm still having lots of FOMO, but I need to getting lower. Look at this. Webull just trades like a fucking beta male. This is beta male. Classic beta male. It just goes in the funnel and starts dropping. Oh, Etsy. That's 1 minute on. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna go for a sell here. We're gonna exit. Why is it not exiting? Okay, we exited. I'm so confused. Should we go for a bounce? I don't know. Mackie is going negative again. I doubt Etsy's gonna go plus a 15% day. So I'm gonna exit here because I'm a pussy. But always take profits. You know, it's up 12% today. Like, what are the chances it keeps going up? But honestly, it looks very good. Like, look at this candle. That's alpha male right here. That's alpha male. It's not fucking betas. So I think I'm gonna end it off here, guys. I'm gonna keep looking at Etsy. I'm looking at Tilray. I'm gonna look at what else? Looking at today, semiconductors, and also Twitter. We're looking for the bounce. Twitter is still down. Also, we're looking for Lulu bounce. Actually, this is the good bounce. This is what I'm talking about. This is the good base. So now we might want to enter Lulu here. But I'm gonna end my video now, so I can keep trading and focus on trading instead of talking. But good luck, guys.